Hey guys, welcome back. We are back at the beach today.
Yeah.
And we're also going to be going to Savannah
today.
Later.
It's like a really nice little place. A bunch of little shops and stuff. It's fun to
Mia's
walk
here.
around.
Yeah, so
And it's my grandma's birthday.
yay!
Happy birthday to her, you guys.
So the vlog.
It's starting a little late today. It's not morning. We just did his little swim classes in the morning, and we didn't think it was necessary to record it.
Since we did vlog it yesterday.
Yeah.
So we'll just be vlogging from now on.
Yeah. So let's get on to the video.
It literally looks like we're in a jungle.
I know. It looks so beautiful, though. I love it. Taking the shoes off, getting ready to go into the pool, beach. Let's call that a pool. And we're trying to get all set up. It's rainbow. Is it cold?
No, I have sand all over
Take off
me.
your belt before you go in.
Creo que aquí al lado, ¿no?
It looks so nice. I don't think I'm going to get in after the jellyfish incident yesterday.
Aquí está bien, Mario. Aquí está bien.
This is what he found on the beach. It is a let's figure out what this is. Oh, I know what it is. It is a sand dollar. It pooped on me.
It pooped on you?
Yes, and it
I
pooped
think
on my
it's dead, honey. I don't think it pooped on you. Well, here we are at the beach.
We are back from the beach, and now we are all ready.
Yes, and we are going to Savannah for our dinner.
Yes, and we're going to walk around and look at the shops while wearing our ponytails.
Our jojobos, but him, because he's a boy. And boys don't wear jojobos.
So anyways, yeah, we're all ready. Everyone's getting out of the house so we can get in the cars and get ready to go.
Yeah, today's our grandma's birthday, so we're going to
Yeah, we said that earlier today.
But we are probably going to be singing happy birthday to her and giving her some gifts. We bought her. We made her a special card. Here she is.
So we'll see you at Savannah.
Bye. Ooh, this lighting change.
Right now. So we did not videotape at the beach, but I got stung.
Oh, we didn't videotape this part. Sorry.
Yeah.
Continue.
But I got stung by a jellyfish twice. One time on this arm and one time on this arm. And it was very, very painful.
Yes, and do you remember on the last video, she got stung by a jellyfish on the leg?
Yeah, that was painful for me. Anyways,
If you guys didn't watch that video, we'll tune it down below.
go watch it.
Link it.
Sorry guys, we can't talk today. And yeah, this little one got really burnt, as you guys can tell.
She's so sunburned. But she doesn't get like dark, she just gets red.
I get
And my straps won't stay.
Okay, anyways, I want to tell you guys something. Her eyes look so pretty with her bow, don't they? They look so cute. Oh,
That's my JoJo bow.
her JoJo bow. I want to show you guys her outfit. It's so adorable. Honey, no, they can't see it.
Ew.
Wait, let me take my seatbelt off.
No, Mia. No, Mia.
Mia's like, hold on, I want to show them my outfit. Let me take off my seatbelt.
You stop.
Mia, she's like, I want to show them my outfit. Let me take off my seatbelt.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So sorry it is late. We're leaving Savannah right now.
Yeah.
We didn't vlog at all. We're sorry.
Yeah.
We just had such a crazy plan, and we just did everything. We just didn't have enough time.
But we did get candy.
Yes.
We all got our own candy bags. Mine's my friend's, so I don't want to grab it. But we're eating our lollipops right now and stuff. But what we did was we got at Savannah. We went to what is it called, Dad?
The Seafood Shack.
the seafood shack, and we ate some crabs and shrimps and all that good stuff. And then we went to Ben and Jerry's and we all got our own ice creams. And then we walked around the river. The river, yes.
Yeah.
And that was really fun. I mean, that's where we found the candy shop.
Yeah, and even we saw a big boat with packages.
What?
A big boat.
Oh yeah, there was this huge boat with obviously it was taking goods around. So, okay guys,
They're
so
gone.
it's very loud right now because we're getting ready to sing Happy Birthday. We are home. There's my grandma. Say hi to you too. Bobby, say hi.
Hi.
It's her birthday.
Birthday to you.
Mwah. We love you. Okay. So I'm just gonna set this up real quickly.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Bobby. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha.
Wow. Bravo.
Okay guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here.
I hope you guys liked it.
If you did, make sure to like
Subscribe.
and comment.
Yeah. And if you want to become part of our LA family,
Make sure to hit the notification bell down below and
subscribe. I hope you guys really liked this video. It was super fun to make.
And we
And-
will be for sure making more vlogs in the future.
Of course, they are so much fun to film. And anyways, this was really fun. I hope you guys liked this video. I definitely thought there were some funny parts to it.
Yeah. Happy 63rd birthday, Grandma. We love you.
Mwah. So, I think this is where we're going to end it. Peace out, guys.
See you next vlog.
Oh, this little one's crying.
So when we were doing the end scene, apparently she was knocking on the door and we couldn't hear. She's upset.
Yeah, come here.
It's okay, Princess. Oh, we didn't know you were knocking on the door.
My